So how would you describe smart contracts?
As no. Well, first time. Okay, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another Blockchain Center video. And today we are diving deep into blockchain, talking about a very powerful concept, that's smart contracts. And joining us today is Mr. Emmanuel Mutisia. Emmanuel is a smart contract developer and a team lead at Lido Nation. Mr. Emmanuel, welcome.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here, and let's get into it.
Karibu. So how would you describe a smart contract?
So a smart contract is a self-executing digital agreement stored in the blockchain. It automatically runs when certain conditions are met. So instead of relying on people to enforce the agreement, the code does it for you.
Is it fair to compare it to something in real life?
Yes, there is a simple example to go with. For example, take an automatic door. You step close to the door, it automatically opens itself without the need for anyone to control it. A second option is a vending machine. As long as you provide the correct amount, press the right button, it automatically gives you the item you selected instantly.
Interesting. That's a nice comparison. So, why would you say smart contracts are important? Why are they important?
Smart contracts are important because they save a lot of time, they reduce the mistakes involved, and they guarantee that the thing will happen without relying on human interaction. So, when a contract is deployed, the system works exactly how it was programmed unless the contract is updated or changed and redeployed again.
Interesting. So could you give scenarios in modern day society where smart contracts are being used?
Definitely. There's a lot of applications around smart contracts, but here we can list a few. That is, we can start with payments. Payments can be automated using smart contracts by allowing people to store some funds in the contract, and then it releases the funds automatically depending on a set of instructions that are set when the contract is deployed or created. Another example is voting. We can automate the process of counting votes and casting votes using smart contracts by storing some data in contracts and then counting from the data that we have. Another solid example is in lending from banks, for example, but now without a bank. So the contract, in this case, acts as the bank. The person lending you could deposit some money in the contract, and then you could come and deposit collateral into the contract, and depending on the set of instructions that are set in the contract and you have enough collateral, the contract can disburse a loan to you automatically without anyone being involved. And you have a set of criteria or paying back the loan set up by the entity. Another application that we have for smart contracts is in education. So universities could store your certificates in the blockchain using smart contracts instead of the normal paper certificates that are being used. So they can do this by creating something in a digital signature like an hash and store that using the blockchain. So when you want to use your certificate, for example, share it with an employer, the employer can verify the validity of your document by confirming the details that the university listed in the contract with what you provided.
And that is visible to anyone around the world?
Yes, the blockchain is transparent, so any record that is written in the blockchain can be viewed by anyone and cannot be changed.
Interesting. So thank you, Mr. Emmanuel, for such a wonderful session. It's quite enlightening. We've seen the different aspects of smart contracts, its importance, case scenarios of where they are being applied, and even you've even given like example. You've compared it to some things which are being used daily in the real world. Yeah, so thank you for the session. So it's been such a wonderful session. So remember, you can ask questions in the comment area, and we'll be sure to engage you with the right answers and sentiments, and invite industry experts to come and talk about the different aspects in the blockchain ecosystem. Yes.
Yes. Thank you for having me.
Nashukuru kwa sana.
For smart contracts. We can do some more some other time. But yeah, the conversation was very interesting.
Nashukuru kwa sana.